Hey everybody, welcome back. Like and subscribe if you can. This is a shorter video of the Bearwallow Hatfield McCoy trip that we took. We got a 2022 Polaris XP Pro, a 2021 Turbo RZR XP, and they're loaded up with gear. We encounter, some dust, some rocks, basic stuff that you see on the trail. We get hit with a pretty wild rainstorm, and then we end up pushing through for another couple hours worth of riding. It's pretty cool. We learn a lot of things along the way. I kind of share some of the stuff that we learn about how to deal with the weather when you're on the trail and you kind of get caught by surprise. So take a peek, see what you guys think. Hatfield trail systems are really great because you just get a mix of different terrains, different types of surroundings and things like that. You'll drive through dusty areas, you'll hit stuff that's down lower in valleys, so there's like rivers and mud and rocks and obstacles. You'll come across stuff where there's just enormous mounds of coal, sand. We ran into like quite a bit of sand too on the trails. But it's a pretty cool mix. A lot of hills, a lot of different things that you can blast up at a good amount of speed, and there's wide open areas too. you haven't seen the first video, the longer version, this is where we actually noticed that the temperature was changing, the wind was picking up, it got pretty stormy pretty quick. It poured on us for a while. We didn't have any place that we could really find shelter, so we kind of just kept driving through it. Again, as I pointed out in the first video, having our goggles close to us in the cab would have been a great idea. We now have ponchos in the front cab too, because we just absolutely got soaked riding through this shit. It was fun. I mean, it was a good time. It's an awesome adventure, but riding the rest of the day, because I think we still rode another couple hours after this, until it was dark at least. Riding the rest of the day completely soaked wasn't great. We had some spare clothes with us that were in the waterproof cases in the back, so that was cool, but like shorts and boots and things like that were still pretty soaked. Was glad that both of us had chase lights, so we had put them on before even obviously making it out to the trip. It was something that we had thought about. When you're hitting, a lot of heavy dust and high speeds, you don't need somebody plowing into the back of your expensive ass RZR. So yeah, we both have chase lights on ours. It definitely comes in handy in situations like this when you got a ton of rain, or like there's just a bunch of mud flying up in somebody's face. Like, you need as much visibility as the person in front of you as possible, so it works out pretty well. After that, the GoPros pretty much died. They're older. The batteries are kind of crappy. So this last clip is just us driving back in the dark, using the overhead light bar, LED light bars. Again, like I said, chase lights are on. Pretty much had everything on that we could. It didn't do too bad. I mean, most of the stuff on this 2021 right here is Amazon purchased. So for what it is, I mean, the bar is $60 light bar. It's not bad. I will say the rigid light bar on the 2022 XP Pro, my buddy's, was much better than ours.